Hello guys, my name is Kishan and today we are going to talk about this error that is in front of me. It's not really an error, it's a warning. It says database warning was encountered performing the request operation ORA-28002. The password will expire in 7 days. So I am pretty much sure that every DBA or a PLSQL developer or just a student would have always have encountered this statement where Oracle prompts you to change your password or else it is going to expire in few days. This happens when you have set a particular password policy in your database, which is very good that you've done it. Most people don't. So when you get this, what it says is you need to update your password. Now a very simple thing to do is, as this error is about the password will expire in 7 days, it has not yet expired, so you can just log into your account which you are logging in and just reset the password. So you can just give OK over here if you are doing it on a SQL developer or Toad and just connect it. So once you are there, all you need to do is write an alter user statement that would be like alter user, the username, here it is HR, and give a password to it. So identified by, and now give a password. So mostly you can always give your old password, but sometime if you have a good password protection policy, it might not let you allow to put the same password again. I don't have that in place, so I'll give the same password and I'll just execute this. As you can see, user HR is altered, it says. So now I'm okay to run with it. I have just successfully updated the password and I won't get this error again. I can just show it to you. I'll just disconnect it, and now when I connect again, as you can see, I got easily connected. But what if your password is already expired, or you are not, or you don't know your current password? If you are logged out of your system, if you forget what the password was, I'll give you a small trick right now, and that would be like, from your SQL developer or from your CMD or from your tool, you can just simply do it. I'll show it the most efficient way, that is doing through command prompt, because you might not have Toad, you might not have Oracle SQL developer, but you will have command prompt, okay, or your Unix box terminal. So all you need to do over here is you write SQL plus and connect as sysdba. That is very much good if you know the password. So you can do like SQL plus as sysdba, it will prompt for password. Let me give the password. So I got connected, and now I can do an alter user and change the password like this: alter user HR, alter user username, whatever it is, identified by the password that you want to set. The user is altered. But what if you don't know your sysdba password also? Then how would you log in? Say suppose you're not familiar with your sysdba password, or your DBA is not around to give you his password. So I'll give you a small hint, a small trick over here. When you do your Oracle installation, Oracle does create few users, internal user. One of them is system user, which is mandatory. Now Oracle would give a default password to it, and while installation it would ask you to update the password, but many people don't update it at that time, and it would be like, okay, I don't update it now, but I'll update it later on. But it never happens, and I have seen production systems, real life production systems, with that same default password. Okay, so what Oracle sets the password is manager. So for your if you do something like SQL plus and then try to connect with system and password is manager, this manager is the by default password that Oracle gives when you are installing the software. It does ask you to change the password at that time, but there's also an option to skip it. Many people do skip it, so you can connect using that user, that is SQL plus system/manager, and you will get connected. And then you can give your alter stable statement, that is alter user username identified by password. I'll do that. Alter user HR identified by HR, and your password will get updated. If your account is logged out, you can just write account unlock at the end, and it would unlock your account if it is locked. Okay, so as simple as that. Now I hope you guys are able to unlock your password and get into your system, but make sure that this doesn't happen, and every time Oracle reminds you to update your password, you go and update it. So I hope this video was informative, helpful to you guys. Please do let me know like to see videos on any other topics, I would really be happy to make videos on it. Please do like, share and subscribe and communicate in the comment section. This is Kishan signing off. Thank you.